Why they have a leprechaun for Christmas?
Welcome to the 35th Holiday Festival of Lights in Charleston. I'm driving with you / visiting with you on my first ever visit. This happens every year, and there are different lights sponsored by different organizations and companies.
We're waiting for it to open.
Yeah, that's right now.
It costs $40 per car that holds 5 people for memory. It was 4 of us, so it was like $10 per person. But it's a 30 to 40 minute ride. And if you like to stop, there is a village with lights that we'll talk about later on in this video. It's a very beautiful sight, but I think it's more worth it if you stop to go to the village to actually do things in there, but you also have to pay for that village. So what makes it worth it, as you can bring 5 people, is mostly that you can go as much as you want through the lights. It's not a one drive through and done. This is the village that you see from afar. We did not stop because it was cold and we were tired. So it's Santa's village, which you're seeing the sign of. And if you believe in Santa Claus, you can go and do that, or you can also ride a train to see the lights without cars in the middle of your photos, like you can see now. Like I'm in the car, I have the shot of the frame, but if you go on the train, you don't have to see that. The lights are pretty, and honestly, I was asking about the electricity at this point.
It's the electricity sponsoring, so maybe they got this one. Yeah.
I wish they gave us a background on how long it took to do all of this, and as you're seeing, I'm only showing some of the lights, not all of it. It's a 30 to 40 minute drive, seeing the speeds of the cars, etc. And there is a lot of things to see, and it's by teams. You have Toyland, like you see now. There's like more of like biblical figures like you've seen before. This is Jurassic Park. There's also the planets. As it is holiday season, a lot of lights are holiday themed, so take that into consideration. But all in all, there are lights that have nothing to do with the holidays, as you see in the beginning of the video as well. It's just fun and cute, but most of it is Christmas themed or strongly holiday themed. This is a different type of style of video that I'm used to doing, similar to the Cinematic and Tour With Me type of video. So do let me know if you don't mind this format of videos now and again. Short but sweet, but still getting to travel with me when I visit these type of things. Let me know. And on that note, happy holidays, and to all a good night.